Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get rid of ads on Amazon Prime Video using an app. Let's get started. Amazon Prime Video now includes limited ads on most shows and movies. This happens if you are a Prime member. The good news is you can remove ads by upgrading to an ad-free option. First, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on subscription at the bottom of your screen. Here you will see information about your Prime Video plan. Look for an option that says remove ads, ad-free or upgrade to ad-free. Tap on it. Amazon will show the monthly price for removing ads. Tap confirm or subscribe. Your payment method will be charged and ads will be removed. You may need to restart the app for changes to take effect. And that's it. To fully enjoy Amazon Prime Video without ads, you need to enable the ad-free upgrade. Once activated, you can watch your favorite shows smoothly on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.